Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of Azure Data Factory, a tool that streamlines data integration and transformation. This powerful platform is built on Azure technology and offers a range of features and benefits that make data analytics a breeze. At its core, Azure Data Factory is designed to help you create, manage, and monitor data-driven applications. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for data integration and transformation tasks such as ETL extract transform load and ELT extract load transform. With its intuitive visual tools, you can easily design pipelines that automate your data flows. One of the standout features of Azure Data Factory is its ability to orchestrate data pipelines. This means you can schedule multiple pipelines to run in a specific order, giving you more control over your data processing. And if you need to adjust your schedules or add new ones, don't worry, it's super easy to change with just a few clicks. In addition to its orchestration capabilities, Azure Data Factory also provides monitoring functionality for your pipelines. You can keep an eye on the status of your jobs and easily troubleshoot any issues that might arise. And if you ever need to replicate your Data Factory resources, there's no need to write any code. Just use an ARM template to deploy your resources in another Azure subscription. But wait, there's more. With Azure Data Factory, you have access to hundreds of connectors for on-premises and cloud storage systems like DinSite, SQL Database, Blob Storage, Salesforce, and many more. This wide range of connectors makes it easy to integrate your data from various sources into one central location for analysis or further processing.